So I got the finished product right here. As you can see, the one I bought online is much smaller than what it should be, but from this distance, I guess it looks okay. And you can't really tell, anything about the paper that the number is actually on. What it is, it's actually an iron-on sticker. That's what it really is. The piece of paper with the number on it, after you cut it off, you place it on the shoe and then you iron it on. You heat up the area first, then you iron it on, and it stays. Only thing I would say is that it's too small. It should be longer because it should be filling up a lot more of this section. But I tried to put it like halfway, like here with the Jumpman, and it looks cool. For a pair of Concords with this 45 on it, it looks nice. So I guess it's an overall success.